Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fragrance mist that I regret buying. Now I did this with my hygiene products and you guys really loved seeing that video and seeing stuff that just didn't work out for me, or I just didn't really enjoy the scent as much. So I thought I would do this again but with fragrance mist. I have not too many, honestly, considering like the collection that I do have. I probably would have thought I would have had more, but I don't. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first scent that I have is from Bath and Body Works, and this is Blueberry. Now, Blueberry is just an okay scent to me. Like, it doesn't wow me. I don't ever have the urge to want to wear it out of my whole collection, which is why I put it in this video. Do I think it's a terrible scent? Absolutely not. I think it's a pretty good scent and I do think it smells decent. It just is a little too tart for me, and I find that with Bath and Body Works berry scents, sometimes they just make it way too tart and sour and tangy, and I just personally don't prefer that. So this is why this is in here. I'm not sure what the notes are. It doesn't have it. The packaging on this is absolutely stunning though. I think this packaging is so cute. Let me know if you guys have the other ones. I know they had a strawberry one, and let me know if you guys also like this. I think I will still use this on my body. I don't have like anything totally against it. It's just definitely one that I could definitely live without in my collection, and I wish I would have just taken a little more time to think about my decision before buying it. And I also know that you guys said that I could return or exchange products at Bath and Body Works, which I have been doing now, so thank you guys so much for letting me know. But yeah, this is the first one. So the next product I have is from Victoria's Secret Pink, and this is Golden Honey. Now it looks like I've used a lot. I've actually been using this as a bathroom spray. I know so many of you guys love this fragrance, but personally there's something about it that just doesn't sit right with me and doesn't do well with my body chemistry. It smells straight up like a honeysuckle, and on my body chemistry it kind of turns like this weird like sour scent, which I'm not a fan of. So I've been using this as a bathroom spray and it's been working great. The scent also just kind of gives me a teeny bit of like a headache. It's not super strong. I would say it's like mild, but something about it I just don't like on my body. So that is why I chose this one in this video. Again, I am almost done with it as a bathroom spray. That's a great way you guys can repurpose your fragrance mist or scents that you don't like. Just use them as a room spray or a bathroom spray. Some people might see it's wasteful, but I think it's more wasteful to just have it sitting in your closet and, collect dust. Also, I know some people are like, oh, you could sell it on Mercari or you could sell it on eBay. Personally, I just feel like it would be kind of not worth it. It would be more work for me because I'm sure these don't go for too much, and then Mercari takes a percentage of your earnings and then you have to buy all the supplies. So that's why I'm just using it for another purpose, and it works great for a bathroom spray. So yeah. So the next scent that I have is from Bath and Body Works again, and this is probably going to get me in a little bit of trouble because I know some people die for this scent, and this is Dark Kiss. Now, I have a confession to make, and that is I bought this on Amazon for like $8, and I couldn't wait for it to restock on Bath and Body Works because they were sold out. And I'm really, really upset about it because it just smells so weird to me. People say that Britney Spears Fantasy or Midnight Fantasy smells just like Dark Kiss. I personally don't think so because I have Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears and I absolutely adore that scent. But Dark Kiss is just not one of my favorites. It's okay. It's not even okay. I just don't like it at all. So if any of you guys want this, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with the scent. I might try to sell it, even though I just said it's not worth it. Maybe I will, or I'll just use it as a bathroom spray, but even then, I really hate the scent. Something about it, it smells too alcohol-y. Like, it smells like whiskey, if you guys are 21. It smells like whiskey or something like that, and I don't want to walk around smelling like alcohol, and I've tried it on my body, and on my body, smells like vapor rub, so I'm just really not a fan of this. If you love this, I'm super happy for you. I'm really disappointed because I thought I was gonna be super obsessed with the scent, but it just didn't work out for me, and sometimes that happens, and that is totally okay. The next scent is from Bath & Body Works. I have a lot of Bath & Body Works in here, but this is Hibiscus Paradise. I showed this in my hygiene products I regret buying too, but I just thought I would mention it in here, and a lot of you guys actually told me this is your favorite scent, and some of you guys also said you didn't like this scent as well. I mentioned this before, but I just feel like the coconut in here smells too tropically. Like, it smells like a tropical coconut, and I'm just personally not a fan of that kind of coconut scent. I think the packaging is to die for, but I would probably... This kind of smells like new car to me now that I think about it. I think that's why it kind of gives me a headache. You know that new car smell, like when you get a new car with like leather seats and it just has that really strong scent and as you enter the car? That's what this smells like to me, and it just doesn't really appeal to me too much. I'm working on the lotion though, you guys, so go me. I have been using the lotion because I'm like, okay, I don't like these products, I just want to get them out, so when I don't like certain things, I will just use them up first because I'm just tired of seeing them in my collection. This I will probably just use as a bathroom spray again. I might try to exchange this one, but it's a little used. Like, I've definitely used it a little dent. So let me know if you guys have done that before. Sometimes Bath & Body Works workers will be kind of irritated when I try to exchange or return things, which I don't understand why, but they do. So sometimes they get shy. But yeah, this is another scent that I do regret buying, and I don't think it was super original or different from what they normally put out, so I was kind of disappointed. Next up, I have one from the winter collection. Honestly, now that I think about it, I feel like I just did not love their winter collections as much as I do their new stuff that has come out. So this one is Fresh Sparkling Snow. This one, again, it is not bad. I like it. I think it's decent. I don't think it's anything original, but something about it just doesn't make me want to gravitate towards it, and I don't know why, because when I smell it initially, it smells good, it smells fresh, but I never get it, and I never use it, so I'm really confused. I've started to use this as like a room spray, and it smells amazing. It makes my room smell really good, so I have been liking it for that, but again, the fragrance notes are ice pear, frozen melon, winter apple, snowdrop, blossom, and frosted musk. This just smells very like... Let's see. You can smell the pear note. It kind of smells a little like tangy from the pear, but also like a little fresh, if that makes sense. So that is the one that I have, and I think it's okay, but just wish I didn't buy it because it's like whatever to me. So this is the next one. Okay, so the next scent is one that is pretty recent, and this is definitely what I'm going to exchange. This is Sunkissed. This smells like straight up sunscreen to me. I know some people love the scent of sunscreen. Personally, I don't like the scent of sunscreen. The fragrance notes are sun-drenched orange blossom, sparkling sea salt, and vanilla breeze. I don't smell any of the vanilla in here. I really don't. Kind of smells like a mix of like hairspray and sunscreen, but mostly sunscreen. I just don't see myself wearing this anywhere. I don't know. It's nothing great. That's the thing. Like when I saw this packaging initially, I thought it was going to be a very citrusy, like boardwalk scent, but it just was not like that at all, which really disappointed me. I think the packaging is adorable. I think they killed it with this packaging. I know some people were pretty disappointed in this collection. I like Grapefruit Rosé and I like Midnight Swim, but this one just definitely did not make me wow. It didn't make me want to use it. Like, I don't ever want to just put this on my body and smell like sunscreen, so this is why this is in the video. I am going to be exchanging this one because it is really recent and I didn't even use any of it, but yeah, this is the next one. Okay, so the next scent I have is Vanilla Bean Noel, and this is one that I don't hate, but I think because of how much like history this scent has to me, I just get so tired of it so quickly. When I first bought it during the SAS, I was obsessed with it, and after I kept using it for a while, I was like, I'm getting so sick of this scent. The good thing about it is that this scent is very, very long lasting, and it is a good scent. It smells good, but it just gives me, it just like makes me have such a reminder of my childhood when I used to like douse myself in this and drench myself in this after PE during like Christmas time, which is why I just kind of get sick of the scent easily. I'm still going to use this one on my body, of course, because like it is an amazing vanilla scent, but if I just didn't have those memories of like me spraying it all over, I would definitely continue to love this. I'm still going to use it like I said, and it isn't a terrible scent. I think it smells like an amazing vanilla bean scent. And also this just like kind of gives me good memories and bad, because it's like bad because I used to spray this so much that it gives me a little bit of nausea. But it's a little good because it reminds me of like, do you guys remember like Mac Barbie 07 or Bethany Moda? She used to love this scent. I think it's because she said her middle name was Noel. I sound like a crazy fan, but I was obsessed with Bethany Moda. I loved her, and she loved the scent, so she would always just inspire me to get this, and I would just love it, and I wore this all the time. So this is one that I regret buying because it kind of gives me a headache, but I will still use. So yeah. The next scent I have is from Victoria's Secret Pink, and this is Cool and Bright. Now, this scent, I just kind of regret buying it because it does not last on me very long, which is why sometimes I spray this and like 2 seconds later I'm like, what was even the point? Like, it just made my clothes wet for no reason. The lasting power just isn't great. Thankfully, I only bought the mini size. I love the scent, don't get me wrong, but it's just so light on me and it just wears off super quickly. I don't even smell it on my clothes, which is weird because normally your fragrance will tend to last longer on your clothing rather than your skin. So it confuses me, but I'm going to continue to finish using this one. I have Fresh and Clean in my bag, which I'm almost done with. So I am going through these, but yeah, I just kind of regret buying this because it was just super, super light on me. Warm and Cozy, however, lasts a really, really long time on my clothes. I know I said that it didn't last that long on me, but on my clothes, I did notice that it lasted really long. I just slapped myself. But yeah, this is another one. And another scent is not like a Bath & Body Works or a Victoria's Secret scent. This is by Mixbar, and this is Wood Elixir. Now, when I first like heard about Mixbar, I was super excited and I just bought all of them, and that was a mistake on my part. This scent is just a little too woody for me. And like, I know you guys are like, girl, what were you thinking? Like, you know you hate woody scents. Why would you pick that up? I thought it was gonna be different, and they had the perfume out and I didn't mind the perfume. But the good thing about this scent is that this is perfect for your hair. It doesn't linger, or it lingers on for a little while, but it's not like in your face, and like the scent is not hitting your face and making you have a headache or anything like that. So I do think I will continue to use this. I use these hair and body mists mostly for my hair, not for my body, because I find that on my body the body mists don't last as long, so I would just prefer to use my perfume. This is more so for your hair, so that like when people hug you, you can smell the fragrance from your hair, and also who doesn't want bomb smelling hair. I'm just, again, like not a fan of musky scents or like wood scents. Like, I'm not a fan of In the Stars, which is another one that should be in here. I have a travel size of it. But yeah, this is another fragrance that I'm just kind of like, I regret buying it. I could definitely do without it, but I will continue to use it in my hair because, like, why not? You know, maybe on a fancy night out I'll wear this, but yeah. Another scent I showed also in my previous video, and this is Amber Romance. I am not a fan of amber scents. Like, I just don't love amber notes. I know that my friend Cameron loves amber notes, so I'm sorry, girl, if you're watching, because I know she loves it. But that's what I think is so cool about like scents and like fragrances, is that everyone loves different things and dislikes different things, and I think it's so cool. So yeah, this is Amber Romance. This is from the Decadent line, and the scent of it, let's just spray it on my body. it's not bad. I've smelled the regular Amber Romance and I hated it, like despised it. This one is a little less of an amber note, I feel like, because it has pomegranate in here. Yeah. So it kind of reminds me of like a muskier version of Forever Red by Bath & Body Works. I think I will be able to use this on my body, but this just feels like so much more of an expensive scent that I feel like I shouldn't be wearing it, and I don't have anywhere to wear it because I don't go anywhere that fancy. I go to like McDonald's. So yeah, I kind of regret buying this, but I'm gonna try to use this on my body and see how it goes. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the fragrance mists that I regret buying. If you guys like any of these scents, like, good for you. Like, everyone is different, so don't get offended or anything like that. It's not a big deal. But yeah, and these will get used. I'll either give them away or use them as room spray, so don't worry. I am really not a wasteful person and I would never do that, so yeah. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok. I also want to say a quick thank you guys for 4,000 subscribers. I love you all so much, and that's it. Bye.